Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn navigation commands in Linux. I will show these commands directly in the online terminal so you can follow easily. First command is pwd. Pwd stands for the print working directory. It displays the current working directory. Second is ls. Ls displays the information about the files in the current directory. We can use with the different variants like a ls, ls-l, ls-a. Next is a cd. Cd used for the change directory. We can use for the cd navigate between different folder. Let's see in the terminal. Enter pwd for the current directory. Next is ls for print list of files. Then ls-l for detail list. ls-a for showing including hidden files. Then ls-lh shows detail in human readable format. Next is cd. We are currently in a demo1 directory. If you want to change the directory demo1 to demo2, then we can use cd command. We are in the demo2. That's it. Thank you.